For our handwriting this morning, we're going to practice two sounds. We're going to practice the air sound and the ire sound. I've written a passage of text, and in that passage there are some words with air and some words with ire. I've underlined the sounds so we can find them. Claire, fair, stairs, chair, tired, retire. All of those words have those sounds in. Let's practice writing those sounds first of all. I need to make sure that I've got a sharp pencil, and I need to make sure that my letters only take up half the line unless they are ascenders which go up. So let's write air. We do the dot at the end. Let's try the same with ire. Now your turn. I'd like you to write air 3 times and ire 3 times. Remember, the letters only fill half the line. If your handwriting looks a little bit dodgy, feel free to practice even more. We're now going to write the words with the air and ire sounds in. Let's try Claire. That needs a capital C because it's the name. We don't join capitals. Ul is an ascender, so it goes from the top to the bottom. Then the air sound. Let's try fair. Is one of those letters that's an ascender and descender. It's the only letter that does this. The f goes down to the bottom. Air. Fair. Let's try stairs. Remember, it looks a little bit like slares. We have to do the cross and the dots at the end. Stairs. Let's try chair. Now for the ire sound words. Tired, tired. Retire. She decided to retire to bed. That means she decided that she wanted to go to sleep. She was probably fed up of sitting in her chair for so long. Let's see if we can write the whole passage now. Claire said we do a comma here for a pause and the speech marks to show what she's saying. Capital T. We don't join to the H-A-T-S. That's with an apostrophe. That is. That's not fair. It's the end of what she said, so we do speech marks again to show that's the end of what she said. Capital S for the new sentence. H is an ascender, so it goes all the way to the top. She went up the stairs to sit in her chair. Final sentence. New capital letter. She got tired so decided to retire to bed. Have a look at your sentences. Are there any words that you've written that aren't written very well? If that's the case, practice them one more time. Well done. You're ready to move on to the main activity for today's lesson. click on the next video in the link below.